What if I told you that this particular cryptocurrency is going to do a 5x minimum? Ladies and gentlemen, Rizzmas is definitely going to do very well. And I really believe the current price that we are seeing is a very good, fair price. This is the most fair price that you are ever going to get, especially before 25th December. And this is one of the reasons why. Obviously, we have been trading this religiously. And I did warn you a few weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, I told you that Solana was bound to have a correction. Therefore, a lot of these cryptocurrency meme coins are definitely going to end up correcting. So if you followed my advice, you would have obviously saved, how much was that? Minimum 150% loss. So to the people who didn't really get to cash out or get out due to the fact that we were anticipating the price of Solana to drop, a lot of you guys are stuck, but I get it, because trading is a zero-sum game. In order for somebody to win, somebody has to lose. So think about this each and every time you are trading cryptocurrencies. In order for you to make profit, somebody has to lose. But you have to be very smart. You have to be very time cautious as well, due to the fact that all these things are time sensitive. So when it comes to Riz, right, we just have a specific period of time before we sort of get to cash out and go and find some other trades. You get my point? Because this one is obviously just going to be hot for the next maximum coming 14 days. So this is one of the reasons why you have to buy and sell the news. So currently the market cap of Riz is around 12.6 million US dollars. And if you take a look at this, right, we have had a very good uprise. We rose all the way up to, 60 million US dollars. So let's take a look at this. So we rose as high as almost 90 million US dollars, close to 100 million US dollars. And then we had a drastic correction, and we dropped as low as $9 million US dollars right over here, roughly around 9.3 million US dollars. Now, can you imagine the people who formed around 90 million US dollars? They had infinity losses. This is one of the reasons why I really believe picking up some Riz at these particular low levels is going to give us like a minimum 3x 5x type of gain before 25th December. Personally, I really believe that we're going to see the price of Riz go between, this is the level that I'm going to be targeting, these levels. Okay, so this is going to be our potential resistance. So this is a very good trade. It's a very good risk to reward ratio type of arrangement. So I have been buying Riz ever since it dropped to like 9 million US dollars. I've been accumulating it, and in case you guys are watching it, in case you guys are watching me right now, there's still a lot of time to sort of accumulate, because if you take a look at this particular candle right here on the daily time frame, it shows, or rather is likely more than likely to have a very good reversal. So let's take a look at the 8-hour time frame, and we see what is going on. We are seeing a very good change in structure. So let me go to the extreme time frame, because on the 8 hours it hasn't really reflected yet. So the structure broke around these levels right over here. This is where we saw the change in structure, and this is one of the reasons why around this particular level, from these levels, we were consistently having a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, etc. But at this particular level, right, we started having a very good reversal structure, where we saw the price start breaking the structure, and all of a sudden we started creating higher lows and high highs and lower highs. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we are going to see a very good push. And Riz is one of those cryptocurrencies that has got a very good chance to do very well because number one, if you take a look at the holders, of course, these holders are mostly bots. A lot of these holders are probably fake, but they've got like a decent amount of holder base. And if you take a look at the liquidity providers, it's a very good, decent amount. So definitely there are people eyeing for this, and we have been increasing in volume for the past 6 to 24 hours. Okay, so you guys are extremely early for this particular reversal, and hopefully in the next coming 10 days it's going to do very well. Personally, I'm going to be cashing out before 25th December. So this one has got a very good distributorship as well, because if you take a look at the areas or the exchanges which it's listed on, it's available on get.io, it's available on lbank, it's available on xt.com, it's also available on BingX. So when it comes to distribution and just basically being set up for a very good pump in terms of grabbing liquidity from non-technical people, people who are trading on centralized exchanges, right? You guys are able to see that, Riz is definitely, it does have a very good chance of doing very well, because a lot of regular people who are not really into decentralized exchanges have got access to it, so I really believe it's going to do very well. And who knows, maybe we might get lucky. It might do a 10x. If it does a 10x, it's going to go to the previous high, which is around 190 million US dollars, and it's going to reach about 120 million US dollars. So can it do this before 25th December? Well, nobody really knows. And it doesn't really matter. As far as we are concerned, our only target was finding the bottom. That was our only target. Whatever we're going to get extra is just bonus. It's icing on the cake. Okay, so do not really worry about how high it's going to go. All you got to do is figure out the bottom and when you're supposed to exit. So in terms of exiting, you guys already know my plan. I'm going to be exiting before 25th December if everything goes well, because this is going to be, sell the news type of event. So what we did was we nailed the bottom. Hopefully, we're going to nail the top as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. I really believe Riz is a strong buy, and we are definitely going to be recovering pretty well. And a lot of people are stuck. A lot of people really lost a lot of money, and this is where we get to come in. We get to buy at the fairest price possible when the streets are red. You know what they say, right? Do the opposite, be a contrarian. When the streets are red, that's when you should be bullish and excited. When the streets are euphoric and when everybody's buying, you're supposed to be exiting. That's the only way that you're going to be making a whole lot of money. So of course I did tell people to buy this. I've been religiously making videos about it. I'm sure you guys already, are aware of my portfolio and my YouTube data as far as the videos are concerned. So you can always verify this type of information. So more of the story is I'm getting Riz. I have been buying ever since it dropped to about 9.5. I got in around these areas, so I did buy the bottom. And personally, I really believe there's going to be a very good reversal in anticipation for 25th December and the festive season. And Riz also has a very good probability or likelihood of doing very well because it's very well distributed. It's on get.io, it's on BingX, etc. So there is a good probability that there's going to be a lot of liquidity flowing into Riz in the next coming few days. Of course, this is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. And in case you are going to be watching me in the future after the prices have already gone up high, please do not ask me whether it's a good buy or not, because right now is the perfect fair value price. This is when you're supposed to be getting in. I don't really know about the future and what the price is going to be, so wait for my other buy recommendations. So yeah, in case you're wondering, I'm officially giving this as a buy recommendation for the next coming few days. Hopefully we do get to, benefit off of it and do a 3 to 5x. Conservatively speaking, I'm expecting a 3 to 5x before 25th December. However, if we are going to be extremely bullish, I do see us going to the previous all-time high and even doing potentially a 10x. So if everything is going to be bullish and if the odds are going to be on our side, we could see the price of Riz going back to 90 million US dollars, which is going to be a very good opportunity for us to sort of make a 10x or even a 7x. But conservatively speaking, I'm expecting a 3 to 5x before 25th December. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. Do not listen to random funny characters like me online. The ultimate decision belongs to you. Thank you. You guys have been awesome and take care.